In this video, I will show you how to stop the automatic software update on your Samsung phone. So let's get started. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Software Update. Tap on Auto Download, and from here, just select Never. Now, after you select Never under the Auto Download section, then go back, and under the Main Settings page, just tap on About Phone. From here, just tap on Software Information, then tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Now just enter your lock screen PIN, then select OK. And after you enable developer options on your Samsung phone, then go back to the main settings page, and at the bottom of the page, you will find the option of developer options. Just tap on it. Now over here, you will find an option called Auto Update System. Now, if this option is enabled on your Samsung phone, just disable it, and you will disable the auto software update feature on your Samsung phone. Now, if you want to disable the software update as it is downloading on your Samsung phone, then go back to the main settings page and tap on software update. Tap on download and install. And if your Samsung phone is updating its software, and if you want to stop or pause the software update, just tap on pause at the bottom of the screen. And after you do that, you will pause the software update as it is downloading on your Samsung phone. And this is how you can stop the auto software update on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.